Oppo's upcoming Find N5 foldable phone is barely thicker than its own USB-C port when unfurled, according to photos released by the company. The flagship, which we're expecting to be rebranded as the OnePlus Open 2 for its US release, will also feature best-in-class resistance to water. Oppo has been steadily teasing the Find N5 on Chinese social network Weibo for the past week. Find series product manager Zhao Yibao has now shared photos that highlight its size, adding that the obstacle to making it any thinner is now the limit of the charging port. The photos follow a video from last week in which Zhao compares a hidden Find N5 to a series of everyday objects, demonstrating that it's comparable in thickness to 2 Chinese yuan coins, a stack of 4 ID cards, or exactly 39 sticky notes. The company claims the Find N5 is the thinnest foldable yet. That title is currently held by the Honor Magic V3, which is 4.35mm thick when open, meaning the Find N5 must be close to 4mm. That explains why it looks like about half the size of an 8.25mm iPhone 16 Pro Max it's shown next to in the photos. For reference, a USB-C port is 2.6mm at minimum. In a separate post, Zhao teased the phone's waterproofing, boasting that it's IPX9 rated. That means it currently has no official dust protection, but has been tested to withstand high temperature and high pressure jets of water. It's also rated IPX8 for submersion in water and IPX6 for lower temperature water jets. This month's OnePlus 13 is IP69 rated with dust protection as well. Oppo's previous foldable, the Find N5, the N4 was skipped because of the number's association with death in China, eventually launched in the West as the OnePlus Open. If the same happens again, it should pose some serious competition for Samsung and Google's current generation of foldable. We'll find out more when the Find N5 launches in China next month.